In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on two-step verification in Yahoo Mail. To get started, open your Yahoo Mail account and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main mailbox screen, head to the top right corner and look for your profile icon. Click on it and then select Manage Your Account. This will take you to your Yahoo account settings where you can control important options related to privacy and sign-in. When the account page opens, look across the top for the available tabs and click Security. This section is where Yahoo keeps your login and protection settings. Inside the security area, you'll find the different ways you can sign in, including the option for two-step verification. Go ahead and click two-step verification. At this point, a pop-up window will appear and Yahoo will ask you to choose the verification method you want to use. Depending on what is available, you may see options such as push notification phone number, authenticator app, or a security key. Choose the method that works best for you. In this walkthrough, we're using the authenticator app option, which is a strong and convenient choice for extra account security. After selecting the authenticator app, the pop-up will reload and display a QR code. Now pick up your phone and open your authenticator app. Use the app to scan the QR code shown on your Yahoo screen. Once the code is scanned successfully, Yahoo should be added inside your authenticator app as a new account. Next, return to the Yahoo pop-up and click Next. Then check your authenticator app for the temporary verification code it generates. Enter that code into the field provided on Yahoo. Be sure to type it in promptly, since these codes usually refresh every few seconds. After entering the code, click Next or Done to finish the setup. Once that's completed, two-step verification will be turned on for your Yahoo Mail account. That means the next time you sign in, Yahoo may ask for both your password and a verification code, giving your account an extra layer of protection against unauthorized access. And that's it. You've successfully enabled two-step verification in Yahoo Mail. If you found this helpful, make sure to follow along carefully whenever you update your account security settings and keep access to your chosen verification method available so you don't get locked out later.